Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nicole with Made from Scrap, and today I'm going to be using some 65-pound white cardstock. I'm going to be cutting this up into little tiny cards, and we're going to be making a game of concentration for Halloween. Of course, you can make this into any holiday you want. But I am taking these small versions of cardstock and I'm cutting them down into quarters. So 3 1/4 long ways. And I'm going to turn it and I'm going to do 2 1/4 for my little card pieces. And I've created a stack of them. So this is the last one I'm going to do here. 2 1/4. Show you what I have going on here. So now I have a stack of cards ready to go, and I'm going to be using some little stamps that I have had in my stash for a while. Let me find them. These, I got them from a dollar spot quite a while ago. And I'm going to be using these to make those flashcards. Might use this one too, or maybe this one. I haven't yet decided, but nonetheless, this is the idea. So I'm going to take my stamping platform and I'm going to go ahead and, so remember with concentration, you need at least 2 of the same. And that would be the idea, at least 2 of the same. So let me go ahead and spread these out a little bit. And I'm using some archival ink from Ranger. And I'm gonna go ahead and ink this up. Stamp it right there in the middle. Let's do this a few times. Making this very easy to do all at once. Now I have that one, so at least I have 2 games made there. Set this one aside and put this one on. Let me put these off to the side so they can dry. Sorry if you hear the puppies in the background. They're being kind of rowdy. So we're going to say spooky. This one. And that one. Okay. I'm going to set these aside to dry. That's my second one. I'm going to go ahead and put this down. And do this little witch. Let's see, little witch there. Oh, touching the ink. I'm gonna do that little witch. That little witch. This is really fast and easy. Let me put this little guy here. Oh, set those aside. Set those aside. Stick him on there. Look how cute he is. And this this way. Don't want to do candy. Have to. And then I'm gonna put some more on the side. Come on here. Another little mummy. Going pretty fast. I think the key was to just have all my stamps out. Already have these cards where they're already cut. And just kind of like assembly line it. Right. I got my little mummies, and those can dry. And I think I'll do maybe a little spider. Let's see. Oh, this bit. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do this one. Rubber stamp I've had for a while. It's pretty cool. To the side, the other side. Let's see what else I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe. This one out. This is an old set. As you can kind of tell. Oops. Let's see. Will this fit on there? I do believe so. Oh dear. Okay. Sorry about hearing the football game in the background. Hubby is really watching the football now that it's just started. Get that all done up. Ooh, that turned out good. I haven't even used that stamp before. That I remember. Yeah, nice. So maybe the little kids will just say, oh, this is the circle when they're doing the game. Okay, that's pretty cool. Put these aside. Anything else that I pulled out? Let's see. Oh, I know what I like. The witch boot. Here's the witch boot. I like this one. Yep. Put that one aside. Witch boot here. And here. So let me ink her up. Ooh, so cute. It's been kind of fun with this stamp. Just pull out some of my old stamps and just play with them. Cool. And now I got my little card game, and I'm thinking these are going to fit right into a little matchbox. You can make a little matchbox for them to go in, or you can put a little clothespin on it. I'm not doing very well with the shuffling here, but you get the idea. So let's see. This would work like this. Maybe it'd be fun to put the same stamp on the back of these too. The other thing that I was thinking with these, if you make them out of like a heavy duty paper or watercolor paper, I was playing around with some of my watercolors, and you can make them like, you know, color them up. Aren't those cute? Kind of the prototypes there. Anyway, so that you flip it over. Oh, nope, didn't match those. Let's see. Oh, yay, match. So that's the concentration game. I'm gonna try to get another one. Spooky and a witch. Nope, witch and a witch. Yay, another match. So I thought that that was a cool little thing, a little game to make for Halloween. And I hope that you enjoy making some of these and sharing them with your little ones. Until next time, happy crafting, you all. Bye.